Kituk Umasoret HaMikra, Parashat Beresheet 5. The reference here is to Hashamayim ve'ha'aretz in Pasuk Aleph and Bet. Bereshit bara Elokim et Hashamayim. The Ebenezer writes there are some words that are often or always written in the plural, even though we're talking about one, a singular. Shamayim, the heaven. It's always in the plural, the heavens. That's the way it is throughout the Tanakh, Shamayim. That word is always plural. The other word, by the way, he doesn't mention this, but we know it for sure, Mayim. The word Mayim is always in the plural sense. The oceans and water in general, even if it's not a sea or an ocean, just water is always in the plural sense. Now, second pasuk, v'ha'aretz. First it says Shamayim ve'et ha'aretz. Then ve'ha'aretz hayita tov vavo. So you might think, oh boy, this is the vav there is vav hibur, and the land. No, he brings down that Radak brings this down, and then Berezer has said this many times. It turns out he doesn't say it here specifically, but it's clear that it's the same thing. That Radak brings down the following: this vav is the vav for emphasis. It's called in the Arabic, they called it fe rafeh b'lashon Yishmael. The vav is like a soft resh. Like a soft fe, like a fe in the Arabic. But it's not, the vav does not mean and in the sense of also. In other words, it's not a conjunction. V'ha'aretz is for chizuk, to strengthen. So, for example, in English, we also use this once in a while, even though classically they tell you never start a sentence with a conjunction, like the word and. But in fact, writers and many of us who are speaking, if you want to emphasize something, you finish the sentence and say, and furthermore, for emphasis, and furthermore. That's exactly what this is here. V'ha'aretz, and the land. Well, not just it was a haaretz, a regular land, but the land also, and hayatov avo. It was just complete a mess. There was no structure to it. So, therefore, it's called, in the Lashon Radak and on the Ebenezer, you see this term, kefer rafeh b'lashon Yishmael. The vav is like, for chizuk, for emphasis, is like a soft fe in the Arabic language.